If you're looking for a reliable waffle maker that can help you make breakfast for cheap, this Black+Decker Belgian flip waffle maker should be very high on your list. Costing about $50, it promises quite a lot of value for the price. Hey everyone, I'm Matthew from ShouldIT, and in today's episode of the ShouldIT Waffle Maker series, we're going to take a look at the Black+Decker Belgian flip waffle maker. We're going to unbox the product and see what's inside the box, as well as running through its design, its ease of use, as well as running a very quick test to see just how performant. So this is everything that came in the box. We have the user manual, the anti-spill plastic tray that will go underneath the waffle maker, and of course we have the waffle maker itself. Overall, I feel like the Black+Decker waffle maker we have here is quite well built. It's a combination, of course, of plastic and a very smooth and luxurious looking stainless steel on either side for the baking chamber. We have the indicator lights here, one for power and the other one for ready. And here we have the flip out handle that we can also use to rotate the baking chamber 100 degrees while we're cooking our waffle. And when you lift it up, on the inside you will find a set of waffle plates that is coated in non-stick. So now all that's left to do is plugging in the waffle maker and see how it cooks. This is the power cord. Now that it's free, I can plug it in. The red power button is going to light up. Now all that's left to do is wait until the green ready button is lit. So it took about 3 minutes 30 seconds for the waffle maker's ready lights to turn on, but now that we're finally here, we can take a close look at the very hot pour in the batter. I would like to oil the plates a little for some extra crispness. We can shut the lid. Supposedly this flipping motion is going to redistribute the liquid batter inside the baking chamber and makes everything a little bit more even. Now we wait. According to the lights here, and inside we find a relatively well-made waffle. It is not charred. The bottom side is a light yellow color. Overall, the colors are passable and the crust seems to be nice and crisp. Colors aside, the interior of the waffle has quite a few air pockets on the inside, so it does look like it's going to be very fluffy. It tastes slightly bitter from all of these overcooked dark spots, but overall it is palatable. The batter has been fully cooked and the texture is a nice blend between crisp and fluffy. It's not wet or mushy, so I'd say that's a big plus. So that's it for today's unboxing and quick test video of the Black+Decker Belgian flip waffle maker. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for future episodes, including one where we will put this exact model through a more rigorous in-depth test here at our lab. I'm Matthew, thank you for watching and happy cooking.